All right, guys. Hi, this is Holman here. I want to take you through how to install the Screencast-O-Matic extension to your web browser. There's a handful of you guys that might have used this in another class, so you might have it. The way you can check is that up here to the right of your web browser, you should notice that you might have one or two icons. If you're pretty tech savvy, you might have extensions that I don't have up here as well. You're looking for an extension that when you hover over it, it would say Screencast-O-Matic. So I'm going to show you how to add that extension now. So we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store just by typing it into the address bar. There's another way to get to it through menu options, but I actually think that this is a little quicker. So go ahead and click into Chrome Web Store, and you'll notice that there's a search bar where you can look up different extensions that you're going to add. So notice that I have extensions chosen here, so it's going to search all of those extensions. I'm going to enter Screencast-O-Matic. And you'll notice that there are two options that come up. There's Screencast-O-Matic and Screencastify. I really like Screencastify, but right now it has a 5-minute maximum limit for students. So we're going to use Screencast-O-Matic because they have a little bit longer of a maximum limit. So all you have to do is hit this blue button here that says Add to Chrome, and you'll get a little message box up here that says, are you sure this is what it's going to be able to do? Just hit Add Extension. And what you should notice is after it crunches, you'll notice a little icon show up in your extension bar up here. It should be right to the left of where you see your little Google image for your sign-in. It should look kind of like a little blue bullseye, a little blue target. That's going to be where you're able to access the screen recorder. So essentially what we're going to be doing for this project is this is just the template of the slideshow. You guys are going to be screencasting your own voice over the slides that you create. And it's hard for me to do it now because I'm already recording, but it's pretty simple to use. When you hit that Screencast-O-Matic extension button, all you have to do is hit Launch Recorder. And since this is the first time since I installed it, it's going to crunch a little bit. But then it's going to launch a recording window. So you can go ahead and accept any messages that pop up. And when it launches this recorder, it's going to give you kind of like a crosshairs to drag and drop over the part of the screen that you want to record your presentation. So what you guys will do is you'll actually select your entire screen. So you can see here, you can see the crosshairs that showed up. You can see right now I have it chosen or selected to record my screen. You can also choose webcam or both. If you choose both, you'll get kind of how mine is now. You'll get a little thumbnail if you're self-speaking. It's always nice in a presentation to have that face-to-face contact, so it's a really good option. You can see right here the maximum is actually, I lied. That maximum is 15 minutes. That's great. You also want to make sure that your mic, you can see that your mic is working, so you can do that test before you invest a lot of time in recording. And you can see that I muted my audio because I don't want any of the noises coming on. Down here in the bottom left-hand corner, what I'm going to do is just drag this and extend it to my entire screen, but I'm not going to include that bottom toolbar because I think that's ugly. And you can see down here, there's a little record, there's a settings, and there's a cancel. So it's really easy to get in and out of Screencast-O-Matic. This settings bar, once you're done with it, you can click that little toggle wheel and it'll go away. As soon as you hit the record button, you can see that it gives you kind of a countdown to get yourself ready. That would be the time in those 3 seconds for you to hit the present slide. And then your slide deck would show up here. You can always at any time pause, gather your thoughts, and then re-record. You can also at any time mute yourself, mute your mic, or if you hit pause, it'll give you an option to play again or to keep on recording, or you can trash or just say, hey, I'm done. So let's say that I'm done with that recording. I'm going to hit done. And it's going to give me options of how I want to save this screencast. So I'm going to choose to save this and to upload it to another source because we're going to be uploading to Flipgrid. So it gives me a little preview of my video. So you could go through and watch it, make sure everything is okay. If you are satisfied with it, down here in the right-hand corner, it's going to give you options to add to YouTube, to upload to Screencast-O-Matic's website. We're not going to use that. We're going to save as a video file. And you want to make sure that the video file type that pops up is MP4 because that's going to be the easiest way to upload into Flipgrid. So then I'm going to hit publish, and you can see that this is a relatively short video clip. I think it was, 17 seconds. So it's not going to take me very long at all to publish this video. If you record for 6, 7, 8 minutes, it's going to take you a little bit longer. So after you see that the recording has been uploaded, I'm going to hit done. You should know kind of on your own Chromebook where your downloaded files will go. I have a folder where all of my my uploaded images that I get from my screencasting goes. So all you have to do then is grab that MP4 file and then upload it to Flipgrid. And I'll be posting another video about how to upload to Flipgrid. Hope this was helpful. Remember, do it early. That way, if you have any questions, you can meet me in my office hours and I can help you problem solve and troubleshoot this process. Not a whole lot I can do for you the night before it's due. So hope that was helpful, and I will see you guys in class.